Hi, welcome to CATIA Tutorials. In this class, we are going to draw this model. Okay, it has two views, 170 by 55, 15 height. Okay, so I am selecting this plane here. Let's select the rectangle, and it is 170, and it is 55. Okay, and make this two lines as symmetry with this vertical axis. Okay, and make these two lines also symmetry to make constraint, fully constraint. Okay, now exit the workbench, and its height is 15 mm. Okay, here I don't want to make symmetry with these lines. Okay, remove this one. So I'm making constraint this line with this vertical axis because we have some operations to take from this plane. Okay, so based on operation, they have to choose that whether it is suitable to from mid-angle plane, or else we have to consider the line with plane. Okay, so here, say here this operation is if I take middle plane, symmetry with this center axis, so it is gets difficult to draw this all things. Okay, so now it's it. Right. So let's see here. We need this curve from the center axis to here. It is 50, and this radius is 15. So totally 65. This radius dimension is 65 mm. Okay. Before draw to this curve, we need to draw this profile because we are considering center point here. Okay. So to take this point, first of all we have to draw this model, draw this operation. So that we require 170 minus 35. Okay, 135. And the height is 20. Let's see. So again I'm selecting this plane here. Okay, draw a circle. Its distance should be 135. 135. Okay. And its height is 20 mm. And to here it is 20, and outside diameter it is 20. Okay. Here it is 20 mm. Okay. So let's draw that. So here this circle diameter is 40 mm. Okay. Now draw the lines and make tangency with the circle. Okay. So now remove unwanted lines. Right. Now project this one and erase the extra lines here. Okay, now it is closer to, I think, closer to, here it is isolated, so delete that one. Okay, let me look at it. So select the line here. Now let's check. It is a closer one. Okay, exit the workbench, give the add command, and its thickness is 35 mm. Okay, right. So now here I am selecting this whole tool, and its diameter is 20 mm, left is 35 mm. Okay, now let's select this plane. Okay, so here I am considering one circle. Else project this one. Here it is 65 mm. 65 mm, and make this line coincidence with this bottom line here. Okay, so again select one circle, its radius is 20 mm from this 60 height. Okay, here I'm selecting circle 40 diameter because there is 20 radius. Let's see here it is 20, so I'm selecting 40 diameter and height is 60 from center point to center point. Okay, so remove this circle here. We need to draw a line. Okay, make this line coincident with this edge point. So here now close a loop from this point to here, right? And we require 20 mm radius, right? Select the edge point and here is coincidence, same vice versa here also. And so now give the radius of this circle is 20 mm. So here it is not 65, here it is 80 radius. Okay, so let's tangent this loop. Okay, again here also make tangents with this time. Now we got it one shape. Okay, so let's select the profile. Here it is close one, and here also it is close one, and make this circle as construction from here. Okay, now here it is only one thing, and its thickness is 15 mm. Okay, let's give 15 mm thickness. Okay, now again we have to give the full operation here. So let's see, and here it is outer diameter is 25 from 60 height. So select this plane. Project the circle and make concentricity with 25 mm there. Okay, so let's see whether it is okay or not. These both should be in same line, but here it is looking some different. Okay, so let's have this plane. Okay, draw a circle with diameter 25 and its height from center of the circle to this line, it is 80 mm. Okay, and circle center to this edge, it is 35 mm. Okay, here we can see that this radius is not concentric with the circle from this drawing. Okay, so we have to modify that. So before that, let's draw the circle and its projection. Its projection is was 25 height here. 15 plus 5, total height is 20. So exit the workbench, give pad with 20 mm. Preview. Okay, so now guys, now I want to modify this one here. So but here below this operation we draw a circle here. I want that reference to make the circle reference. So here we have one option here. So drag this pad to above here to this hole. Okay, so let's update this one. Now here we got this one. I mean, before doing this operation we done the circular operation. Now define in work object here. So now I want to edit this profile here. Let's see. Okay, I think you got this what I did here. Now delete this one and draw a circle. Before that, project the circle here. Concentricity with radius 20 mm, diameter 40. Sorry. 40. Okay. Let's make this point with the circle, coincidence. Sorry. Make circle is tangent with the circle. And select this line point and circle, coincidence, and make tangency also. Tangency. Now remove this additional one. Here we got this purple line, means that we gave over constraint here. Okay, now it is okay. Close one, here it is also close one, so make that circle as construction mode. Now exit the workbench, update the model. Now we got what we required here. Okay, select this plane here. Now draw a line. Okay, and give construction constraints here. Constraints, and give the angle 15 degrees. Okay. Right, now let's project these lines. Okay, now remove unwanted one. Now exit the workbench. Give the pad with diameter 10 mm. Okay, and one more operation is there here. Here 50 and this radius 15 with the center line. So here from the center point to here 50 and this radius is 15, total 65 radius from the center point to this construction line. Okay, so let's see. Select this plane. Okay, and draw the elongated circle here. Yes, before the okay, so it's the constellation and its radius is 65 here. Already we have done 65. Okay, right here it is 65 and its radius is 50 mm. Sorry, already here it is there. It is 15 mm. Okay, here we have to know that angle. They gave 60 degrees here. See here 60 degrees. Okay, so draw two lines here. And give the inclination to these two lines. It should be 60 mm. Okay, now make construction with these lines, coincidence here and here also coincidence, and make these two lines as construction mode. This circle also. Okay, now we got a required profile here, elongated circle, and its depth is so it is complete 15. Here it is 10 mm and its depth is 5 mm. Okay, so here I should give 5 mm depth here. 5 mm. So somewhere it is, some profile is there. Make this as construction mode, right? Now let's see. Let's close one and select the workbench in pad. Here it is 5 mm. Review. Okay, so now select this pad here. It is not 15 mm, it is 10 mm. Right? Yes. Now again select it 60 mm diameter here. select this plane. So here let's project this profile here, yes, and make it offset this profile with 7 mm inside. I think should give inside. So once I can select this profile, so offset it is 7 mm. Okay, and make this as construction mode, or else delete that. Now exit the workbench, select the pocket, select the 15 mm depth series. Okay, now select the hole here, it is 10 mm. Okay, again here select this hole again. It should be 20 mm. Okay, and here we need to count our holes. Here we require 20 by 20 with a point. This hole point is 20 by 20, and the hole detail is, the counter bore hole is diameter 15 mm and counter bore diameter is 30 and its depth is 5, and 2 hole spot face hole is 15 mm diameter. Okay, let's see. Let's select the hole on this face, select the position. Here we have seen in previously, the hole from here to here it is 20 mm. Okay, again here and here this edge is 20 mm. 20 mm. Okay, now exit the workbench. Here we require counter bore type of hole, and here it is counter bore. Its diameter is 30 mm and its depth is 5 mm. Okay, let's see here. Here it is 15 mm dia and store hole. Let's hit preview. Okay, 5 mm and 10 mm, 15 mm dia, and it is 75 mm width. 75 mm distance. So we have selected this pattern, and this is the pattern I want, and this is the element I require. Its distance is 75 mm. Okay, this is the easiest way to make this hole, and we need only this operation. Here it is, rib option. Okay, everything we have done here. Let's see with 6 mm thickness it is. So this plane from here it is 135 depth in reverse direction. Okay, let's select this plane here and reverse. Okay, so here I want to draw a line from here to here. Let's see, is it possible to get the rib option? Yes, with 6 mm thickness. Okay, this is the last exercise from the engineering drawing book. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching CATECH tutorials. Please subscribe my channel, like the video, share the video.